Hey there. I wanted to tell you that I see you. I see you making moves. I see you growing. I see you doing the best that you can. I see you. I see you as magnificent energy. I see you. I see you. I see you even when you're struggling. I see you with loving kindness and patience and non-judgment, compassion and forgiveness. I see you. May you see yourself today as magnificent energy. May you be kind and gentle with yourself. May you offer yourself loving kindness, compassion, non-judgment, patience and forgiveness wherever you are. And remember that I see you and that you can see yourself. Just slow down, take a breath in, and give thanks. Have a great day, a great weekend, a great week, a great month.